Welcome everyone to
Science Time with Microwave.
It's gonna be lit, and by lit it means it's gonna get lighted up and blow up.
Today on this episode,
we have cans of Coke, and we're gonna put them in the microwave. They're gonna blow up. The shards of metal from the Coke will then impale us, and we will bleed to death and die.
I don't think that will happen. I think it's just gonna fizzle. Anyway, that's what Science Time with Microwave is all about. So let's go ahead and do that now.
I've already written my will. Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about some science while we wait for Drew. Now, did you know science is, we're all really connected. Like this stair, that wall, that tree, it's all the same thing. Like I am the tree, I am the sky, I am the floor, I am the wood.
Thank you, Buddha.
I am... Because when you die, your atoms get repurposed into the ground, and then you turn into dirt, and the animals eat the dirt. It's all this great big thing called the circle of life.
We're trying to make it to where we can see the microwave, because we can't do it in our house anymore. This is why. Okay, let's stop it.
Okay.
Oh, it's hot.
You should not touch that glass. That's gonna fall and it's gonna break. I told you!
I was going to get you a glove.
I so called that. Oh, so called that.
I may have dropped the glass.
It was a glass cup.
So yeah, we can't. We have to do it outside now. So I'm trying to make it dark enough to where we can actually see what happens to the Coke.
If I die, then tell my wife I loved her.
All right, you ready? I'm gonna set it for 1 minute.
I don't have a wife, I'm lonely.
All right, here you go.
What's happening? Anything happening?
Oh, I hear noises. I'm actually terrified.
Yeah, you should, Mike, maybe cover your eyes. I'm just gonna stand over here and comment on the experiment.
Oh my god, I'm terrified.
I haven't heard any sounds yet, so it looks like it's still good.
I heard some crackling.
some crackling.
Some crackling.
Oh, was that the Coke?
Our cameraman's hiding behind the door. Oh man, I'm terrified.
Okay, how long are we putting it in there for?
I put it in there for 1 minute.
Nothing seems to have happened
And if
yet.
nothing happens in the first minute,
Then
I
we're
gotta
good.
set it another minute.
8 more seconds and we'll be live. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we lived! We lived, everyone! Look, we're still alive! No, let's investigate it.
We gotta open it and close it.
No, we gotta investigate it. Check it out. Check its time after.
It's hot. That's all it is right now. Oh jeez, I'm scared. I am terrified.
Doesn't look to have changed too much. Is it even spinning?
I don't know.
In 30 more seconds.
Grayson, you're in a safe position. You can come out from...
If we live 28 more seconds, that means the experiment was a success.
Tell us some scientific facts of why this Coke is,
Well,
Not
the metal,
blowing up.
the aluminum, the heat is causing it to contract and expand. I don't really know. I'm not a scientist. I just have a piece of paper.
Where's your piece of paper?
I left it at home. It looks
Oh
like-
man. All right, we're
Let's
going 1 more
investigate.
minute.
Let's investigate.
All right, sure. Okay.
Touch it.
I don't want to touch it. So that's it. That's the Coke. Okay. We're going 1 more.
The problem is it's not spinning. The spinning thing isn't working.
Does it need to spin?
Yes, it needs to spin.
Are you sure it needs to spin?
Maybe no.
You're the science here. I think it's like 2 miles of touch now, though.
Yeah.
It's been in there for 3 minutes. Grayson, where are you?
You there, buddy? You alive?
Grayson.
Jason, buddy.
You gotta be with us. You gotta keep being here.
If we can make it through 10 more seconds, we'll be alive.
Then we'll have to do it again.
And again.
And again.
And again. And again. Yeah, we survived the murder.
Press clear. Let's just do 5.
We're not doing 5 minutes.
We're doing 5 now.
You kidding? Okay, well anyway, what's happening is we're about to die, and here's where I leave my possessions to. I leave all my clothes to the homeless and less fortunate people. I leave all my belongings to my close friend Kendall, and I hope he uses them well and finds a good price for them on eBay. And I hope he makes a lot of money because he really does a lot of hard work, and he's really underappreciated in today's society.
Mike's getting all emotional on Science Time with the Microwave.
Yeah, and I leave all my embarrassing stuff to Kayla, so she has to come back and come to my funeral, because otherwise she won't, because she's far away in Georgia doing the Lord's work. Or I guess, I don't really know what she's doing up there. And I leave my shoes to the Reverend Zach, that one day I hope he may preach a message about how my shoes were the best shoes. I don't know if that was the code, but I don't really have any more possessions or any more friends to leave them to. I mean, there's Drew and Jason, but they're probably going to die with me, so. Oh well, there's now 3 minutes and 30 seconds left.
God, I'm terrified.
We aren't dead yet, so that's a plus.
This is the longest thing we've ever
If you
microwaved.
ever had if you only had 3 minutes to live, how would you spend it?
Standing in front of a microwave trying to video.
I would spend my 3 minutes eating.
Eating? Eating
Go
what?
with fats and eat the calabash chicken there. It is quite tasty. On the bright side, the blanket will block all the sharp pieces of metal from crashing into me. So there's that.
Did you hear that?
What? Does it make a sound?
I heard a noise.
It's a little different.
I'm hearing some noises. You hear that? Crackling.
I don't hear it cracking.
I see it spinning.
You see it spinning?
Yep, it's spinning alright.
Oh, I see it. Well, everyone, as our time gets shorter and shorter. Oh, I heard that.
Oh god.
I'm just gonna stand up.
Oh god, I'm terrified.
Drew, you know,
This is a bad idea.
you could always just, walk away.
I have made about 100 bombs now, and I'm gonna die by coke.
What an awful way to die, really. How much time is left?
2 minutes.
Oh wow, we're dead. Yeah. We had a good run. 10 years
Oh
almost.
jeez.
And it's finally come to an end. The conclusion of all our lives. This is the high point right here. This is how we go out. Not with a bang, but with a whimper. That's
Do you
a
smell
quote.
something burning?
Oh yes, I smell something burning.
Okay.
Well, I'm gonna sit back down because why not? Better to die sitting up than to die standing. 90 seconds left on the death clock. Jeez. I don't know if you can tell, but Drew is shaking right now. He's just so.
I'm not
He
shaking.
is shaking with
I'm
fear.
stirred.
With fear and trembling. You can just look at this man is giving off a smell of fear.
It stopped spinning.
Okay, we're good now. There's about 70 seconds left. We're still alive. But I don't think we will be for
Why
much
is this
longer.
taking so long?
I mean, the water in there is the liquid in the Coke bottle. is
Do
probably boiling by this
something.
point. We'll probably evaporate the water in the bottle, or the Coke in the bottle, and it will just be an empty can by the time we're done.
Oh man.
50 seconds to go. Drew, what are your final thoughts?
I'm scared and I'm ready. I'm ready for this episode to be done.
Well, we have 40 more seconds, so we gotta power through it.
Oh.
35 more seconds.
Oh, have you noticed? This is a new microwave.
It's a new microwave.
Yep.
What model is this microwave?
Well, no, it's just a white microwave. We used to have a black microwave,
What happened to it?
and well, one of my friends needed a microwave, so I gave it to him, and he put tinfoil in it, and it exploded. He was actually going to try to not make it explode. He was going to try to use it.
Well, anyway, 9 seconds.
So we're already down to our second microwave on the second season
Stay tuned
of
for
Science
story.
Time with
There's 3
Microwave.
seconds left.
God! Oh, this is the worst feeling.
I think we should look at it. Be careful, I don't want to. Give me a stick and I'll poke it.
It's gonna blow up when you poke it.
Give me a stick, somebody.
Oh, jeez, I'm scared. There's Raisin, guys.
Raisin, give me a stick.
Say hi, Raisin. Don't use the tripod. You're gonna blow up my tripod. It's not gonna fit.
No, wait. I'll do it this way.
Anyway, let's keep going.
Sure, why not? What are you setting it for this time?
Let's go for. Oh, I think it came unplugged.
I'll plug it back up.
That or the microwave's broken somehow.
Yeah, it's plugged up good.
I think it overheated then.
So I guess the episode's over. Yeah, it overheated because I touched the back of it and it's quite warm.
Dang it! Well,
I guess we're done here. Tune in next time on Science Time with Mike when we might actually succeed. I'm just shocked we actually
my
lived
pants
this
are
time.
unzipped. Hold up.
Want me to-
No, you stay away.
I'm glad
Well-
you unzipped yourself.
Thank you. I was expecting you to do something. It didn't do anything. That was, I think, 10 minutes.
That was really disappointing.
So,
I'm very disappointed.
yeah, we're gonna let our microwave cool off and
No, this
hopefully
thing
do
is
more.
broken. It's not gonna work anymore. It's done. It's dead.
Well, I have a spare microwave.
Oh joy.
Anyways, I'm Dr. Oo,
I'm Mike, the science guy.
and we say
Goodbye.
goodbye.